Oh, look at that.
All right.
That's nothing.
So,
That's nothing.
Steve, you're
This is
gonna
just
go the
one
swamp
little
with us?
handful.
So
There's pounds of these coins out here.
Share the bucket?
Yeah.
Give me those 50 cents piece up between me, you, and Steve.
Look at that, man. That's just one of the buckets. Me and old Steve have to plant.
Many more buckets of the silver.
Yeah, I know. That's awesome.
All right, time to go.
That my hat. I got rings in there too. Look at that. Wow. Oh, we're going to be busy for a while. If I can just keep the yahoos away this time. I'll come back and watch. Well, my digging bag is getting less full, although I feel like I have about 10 pounds of silver left. Boy, this is taking forever. I went ahead and put a coin, silver coin, out on that log since everyone here is blind as a bat. I had people looking right at it yesterday, so they can see that token better, because it does blend in a little bit. There's people starting to hunt. It's not the silver hunt yet. That's just free range. They blew the cannon about a half an hour ago. This is the little pond. And now, if you look, I don't think anyone could miss that one. At least I hope not. I went ahead and poured a silver quarter right next to it. And the stick there, I left in there too so they could pull it to shore, so, or pull it to the bank. So we'll see if they find it today. I certainly do hope they do. Be very disappointed in you guys if you don't find that today. I don't want to have to give someone hints. Although I've already given a few hints. All right, I gotta get back to the burying coins. Still have a few left in here. Man, there's a lot of coins. It's gonna take me all day to get these buried. I just hit a coin over here and I hope it gives whoever finds it really good memories. Well, I meant memories. It's a coin! A memorable coin. Steve had me up too late last night. I gotta get back to work.
We have over 11,000 coins buried. About 8,500 dimes, most of them are mercury dimes. We have 1,133, I think, silver half dollars. Most of them are Walking Liberty halves. I think 1,200 quarters. Most of them are Washington quarters. There are some barbers and Walking Liberties out there. And there's 100 silver dollars and a couple other silver round top items. There's probably 300 or 400 silver rings included and 167 tokens. So it ought to be a good hunt. I wish everybody the best. I'm going to ask you here in just a minute to line up down here along the road.
So we're getting ready for the silver hunt. I planted a ton of coins. I got blisters on my fingers. Well, there's so many out there. There's a ton of people here, though. You heard the numbers for the coins. It's amazing. It's going to be a fun hunt. I'm going to sit by the tree and watch the spot. And they're off! Silver zombies! Look at them. All right, let's take up position. He almost had him, but not quite. It's so quiet. It's really kind of weird. It's like zombies. They are zombies. Silver zombies. There's Nugget. Oh, Nugs. He's down there digging. I'm dedicated to you guys. We're gonna make a video. It's gonna be awesome. There's the Nugs.
Yeah.
It was close.
I like it. Yeah.
I planted that one. I put a whole bunch of them out in front of the token so people would spend time there. Trying to bait them in.
Oh, there's a half.
She's close. We got another one. I wish I could just put a trail cam up so we wouldn't have to sit here all day.
ChiggsMeister. Hey, Chig.
Hello.
We're out on the silver hunt today. This is Gypsy, and you all know the ChiggsMeister. Sorry.
I'm hard at work.
He is
I am.
really hard at work. Look at him.
Now I'm making a video for my channel, and you're going to be in it
Uh-oh.
because you went right past something. You
Oh,
did, and
back
it's
over
going to be
there?
on video, and I'm making fun of you.
Oh, no. I'm going to go back over there.
Sorry.
He's giving
I
me a
did.
hard time. Look at that.
Yeah, I am.
He
Yeah.
knows where all of the goodies are planted.
Yeah, this
out.
is my sector.
This is his
This is-
nectar sector.
It's my nectar sector, and the sector with my special token out here.
I better go look. I better go back.
Or maybe you haven't gone by it yet. That's what I meant.
Oh, okay. I'm going to keep searching.
You keep searching. Almost gave it away.
Uh-oh.
We have another one. If it was a snake, it would be biting him right now. How did he not see that? It's a quarter, like 2 feet from his face on that log, and my token is right next to the quarter. Come on, man, you can find it. Take the blinders off. Not all the treasure can be found with a metal detector. Hello. Poor guy. See? Really? Guys, listen to me. Take the blinders off. Look around you when you're detecting. Nothing else I've ever told you or showed you that should make the most impact on you. I mean, that was unbelievable, wasn't it? I mean, it was like 2 feet away from his head. Not disparaging the guy, because he's out here looking for silver coins in the grass and, you know, slightly buried. So, I mean, he's focused on it, and that's good, but, you know, sometimes you just have to heel it back a little bit and look around you. They cleaned out all my bait. I probably have to go rebait the spot. I have lost faith in humanity.
Hey, buddy.
Close, but not close enough.
Hey, how many did you put in there?
I didn't put any in there. Maybe on there.
Taking a break, huh?
Yeah, take a little break. She's gonna find it. I can tell. She's gonna find it. She's gonna find it. That was close.
Oh no.
Thank you. I spent 2 days in this swamp.
Oh, good.
All right.
I did. I was right there. Oh my word.
No way. Whoa, it is.
Congratulations.
Hold on a second.
You took your blinders off. You look your didn't you? That's only where you're from.
Well, thank you. Oh, no, that was fun. I don't even need to hunt anymore today after that.
Thank you.
Ah.
You're on camera, by the way.
Oh, no. Hey, thank you.
Woohoo! I can
Oh,
go
that
home
was
now.
What was it?
A token.
Yay.
He had it floating out in the pond.
It was in the pond?
Floating.
I got a laugh.
Oh, that was good. I wish I had a camera.
Good for you. Now every token I got, I had a pig.
Very good.
Where was it floating?
It was floating on that log out there.
Just look.
Yeah, video. I had to have you.
That's exactly right.
Well, I used this and I pulled it back in.
I can take it easy now. My work is done for the day. Well, the silver hunt's over. I've been just kind of hanging out here since the guy found the token, but they're getting ready to do the prizes and stuff. So I'm going to let you take a quick peek at what we're doing inside, and then we're going to sign off. So I'm going silver hunting as soon as we're done.
I'm drawing for those items afterwards. So, real quick, let's keep going. Let's start with token 100.
Now, my friends, there's one big happy crowd. Hope you enjoyed the video. Next stop, Arizona. We're gonna have some fun out there too.
Until I go to sleep, she'll shake the coins from your pocket, take your gold chain and your locket. Mother Earth has no sympathy. She'll take the ring from your hand and bury it in the sand and keep it for eternity. Mother Earth, she's got her secrets she's promised to keep hidden in her dirt.